Okay. Cameraman Matt, other directions. You're taping yourself. Here we are. Jack's first jumping jack. Flash. Are you ready? Woo!
This is rocket science.
Here you go. One nice step.
He's too high. He can't jump.
Oh, no, you're touching the floor with your one leg and your other leg is... There it is! Oh, okay, you can hold on to this. You can eat my hand at the same time. It's fine. No, get the jumper.
Okay, tell.
I'll try it. She's never done this before. Let him do it herself. This pushes
She's
straight
gonna
up.
do this. She's totally gonna do this.
Let's have her go like this. Come on, Johnny. Come on, Johnny. Yeah.
Were you crazy?
Maybe he wants to spin. Wiki! Okay, thank you, Wiki.
Maybe we can move it.
Okay, you're in the way. I can't see each other.
Poor Wiki.
Okay, let's go for it.
You might tip over, but I don't think you're gonna fall down or anything.
Not straight. You gotta shorten the right
At
side.
least he's smiling.
Yeah, he's not afraid.
How do you shorten it?
Just
He
looks
went in a
really-
wave pool. He can't be afraid of a giant jump up.
It just looks a little awkward.
A little.
Yes.
A little.
Yes.
Maybe you better put a bib there.
If nothing else, he'll eat his bib. Ooh!
Get your arm up there.
Yep, with your other arm. It's a trap, no wonder. There. But now you can't lift the
Lift them
boy.
over.
No.
No, he's too high.
Oh, come
You
on.
don't want to wash it right away. Okay. There you go.
He has to put his arms down. Okay, you can turn the video off now.
Okay, let's go